Hello everybody, welcome back to Boss DigiClass, Best of Service. Today we are going to learn about simple past tense. And today we are going to learn something new with the past simple versus past continuous tense. Let's start. Remember, the simple past or past simple is a general past action. It happened already in the past, and the time signal usually like yesterday or last something. Yeah. And then the regular verbs, verb ed, or we use verb to for irregular verbs like came, ate. For example, she planted the roses last year. Okay. So we use the past simple tense for the series of completed actions. Okay, he sat down, took out the notebook and pen and started writing. Okay, this is series of completed actions in the past or habits that happen in the past. Jen played the piano when she was a child. Or a completed action in the past. Sal baked a cake yesterday. And then you can read by yourself the rest of the examples, okay? Or duration in the past. He stayed up all night. But the all night is the last night. Okay, he stayed up all night, already in the past. Or we lived in Chicago for a year. But this is something happened already in the past. Okay, that's the past simple tense. Now, what about the past continuous tense? So, past continuous tense is actually the happens in the past, but in the past it was happening. It's like, yeah, we usually use the time signal with when, while, or as. And then we change the to be with was and were plus verb ing. Example, she, and then because the subject is she, so the to be was, she was planting roses when he came. Okay, I will explain to you further, yeah? So, the past continuous tense using interrupted continuous past action. So we use the past continuous like this one. I was walking home, and then we use the time signal when it started to rain. So it's an interrupted continuous past action. I was walking home when it started to rain. Okay. I was watching a movie, and then the interrupted is when she called. Yeah, so we use the past continuous tense here, and then after when we use the past simple. She called. Or a parallel actions in the past. I was studying while, okay, we use while my brother was watching TV. So it's a parallel action. But we are telling stories. This was happening in the past, already in the past. But at that time, it was happening. I was studying while my brother was watching TV. Or to create a story or create an atmosphere. Example, while I was driving to work yesterday, the sun was shining and the birds were singing. Okay, because the birds, plural, we use were. Okay, or repeated action, often with always, they were always fighting. She was always complaining about her job. Okay, or action before and after a specific time. Last night at 6 p.m. specific time, I was eating dinner. Okay, in August, she was working at the summer camp. Okay, next one. So now how to combine them both, the past simple versus the past continuous tense. Okay, when usually plus the short action, and we use the past simple tense. While plus the long action, past continuous tense. So look at here, we can say like, I was watching TV. This is the past continuous tense. When Jim knocked the door. Or you can put when Jim knocked the door. Okay, the time signal here, when Jim knocked the door, comma, I was watching TV. Or we can combine this like this. Jim knocked the door while I was watching TV. Or you can put while at the front while I was watching TV and then comma. Okay, Jim knocked the door. Okay. So actually the past continuous is an ongoing past action. I was eating grapes. Okay, an interrupted ongoing past action, we use the past simple. I was eating grapes when she arrived. Or a parallel action. Okay, it's an two ongoing past actions. Yeah, I was writing while she was dictating. Both verbs in the past continuous. Okay, ready for some exercise? Let's see, yeah? Fill in the blanks with the correct form, the past simple or the past continuous. We play football with Mary when you call me. Which one is the past simple and which one is the past continuous tense? The longer action is the past continuous tense, right? We, the to be, was or were, we were playing football with Mary when you called. Verb 2. Okay, did you get that correct? Mary is, what she did is an interruption, yeah, to this ongoing past action. Okay, ready for number 2? When the teacher, after when, remember? When the teacher using past simple, yeah? When the teacher came in, they were studying English. So this is a past ongoing action. Good. Okay, number 3, the baby were sleeping. Yeah, it's a longer action, right? When the telephone, the past simple, the verb to ring is rang. When the telephone rang. Next one, number 4, okay? As follow the past continuous. As I was walking in the streets of Holland, good job, I met an old friend of mine. Yeah, so when you retell a story to a friend like, hey, you know what? Yesterday, as I was walking in the streets of Holland, I met an old friend of mine. Yeah, so we use these two grammar tenses. Okay, so what about this is a completed action in the past. So there is no time signal here, but this is a completed action. So we say, I lost my car keys. Yeah, good job. So this one, number 2, I was looking for my purse, the past ongoing action. I was looking for my purse when at the time, happened, when followed by the past tense. So when I dropped my credit card. I hope you get that correct. Okay, number 7, my uncle, blank blank, take me to the airport yesterday. Completed action, past simple, good job. Took me to the airport yesterday. Good job. Next, number 8, she. I think this is ongoing past action, right? So she was dancing when she hurt her ankle. Good job. Excellent if you got that correct. I hope you did. Okay, number 9, it, past continuous, right? It was raining heavily when I got up. Good job. And the last one, guys, I saw the thief while he was getting into my neighbor's house. Oh no. So that's about the past simple versus past continuous. Okay, you can learn more. If you like to learn more, you can check out our Instagram with Mr. Boss ID, or you can join our Mr. Boss junior course. Okay, I think that's it for today. Goodbye, everybody. See you next time. Bye.